Hello everyone, this is DU7JAY, and once again I am here in the island of Mactan, Cebu to operate my station for the Iota, which is Island on the Air contest. This is my favorite spot for Iota, and let me show you the view of my station. Okay, so let me show you my antenna setup, and it goes all the way to another tree which is in this area. Okay, so my 49:1 transformer is there. Let me zoom this in. Okay, there. That's the transformer, and the feed line goes down to the station here. I would like to shout out to the hardworking lifeguards who has shared their table with me so I could set up my station. My station is, what I'm running now is a YAESU FT857, and I'm running on AC power because they have power here. I also brought my battery, but since they have AC, so I decided to run on AC. My event call is Delta Yankee 7 Delta X-Ray DY7DX, and the Iota number here is OC 129. So Oceania 129. So here I am once again for the Iota contest, and this is my station.
Mexico 8 Radio Canada Oscar Charlie 165 contest.
Delta Yankee 7 Delta X-Ray DY7DX.
Come again?
Delta Yankee 7 Delta X-Ray DY7DX.
Okay. Delta Yankee 7 Delta X-Ray. My line, your number 094. Delta number Oscar Charlie 165. Oscar Charlie 165.
QSL, thank you for the 094 and thank you for the OC 165. Please copy 59010 Iota number OC 129. Oscar Charlie 129.
Okay, thank you very much.
For India 1 Bravo November Charlie, please copy 59013 Iota OC 129.
QSL, thank you for the 59013 Oscar Charlie 129. You are 59002 Oscar Charlie 042.
QSL, thank you 002 and thank you OC 042. Sorry?
TUI 70 59211 Asia 78.
Roger. Okay, I copy 211 and Asia 078. Please copy 59034 Iota Oceania 129. So without a voice clear, this is how I call CQ. CQ contest. Delta Yankee 7 Delta X-Ray. Delta Yankee 7 Delta X-Ray CQ Iota contest. I'm using the YAESU FT857, and as you will notice, the microphone that I am using is a Vertex microphone, which is the MH67A8J microphone. I did not use the stock microphone. I used this over the stock microphone because this has better midtones and better punch. So for DX and more difficult for weak signal, this microphone can punch through the weak signals better than the stock mic. So just sharing with you the microphone that I am using. So this is the matching transformer that I'm using with my end-fed half weight. This is from HF Kits, which I got from the ARRL shop a few years ago. And yeah, I built this myself. And the build quality is very good. Performance also during this Iota contest is also very impressive and very easy to use. The wire that I use for the end fed is about 66 feet long. So it's a half wave end fed, and yeah, it covers as it says here, it's 35 to 30 megahertz coverage. So for the Iota contest, I was using it for 40 to 10 meters, yeah, 10 meters to 40, and it worked perfectly. So there, that's the matching transformer box from HF Kits.
MH31, stock lang sa FT450 or? Okay. So, nindot sa siya paminaw, kanang doon na sa check, kanang bitong punch, bitaw or.
Oh, there! Oh, yeah. Well, I guess I need to take a break from the contest and answer another call. And this is the call of the sea. Yoo-hoo!